Suleiman the Magnificent couldn't have come at a better time. In the wake of Selim the Grim, we need a leader that can bring the Ottomans to the greatness and the glory that they so deserve. The Ottoman laws are confusing, contradicting, and overall do nothing to better the country. Suleiman wants to reform the laws, make them simple, effective, and long-lasting. By harmonizing the religious and sultanic laws, we can create the foundation for a golden age in our empire. But what is a good leader if he can't lead his armies to victory? Not a problem for Suleiman. Hungary? Occupied. The overall size of the empire? Expanded in all directions. The island of Rhodes? Captured. The knights who guarded it? All were allowed to leave with their lives. He understood the struggles of war. He understands his enemies as fellow men, not inferiors. It's obvious that Suleiman knows what his country needs. He understands politics well as he does military strategy, and he isn't afraid to join his troops on the front lines. Suleiman is the leader the Ottomans want. His magnificence is not understated, and it's certainly not overemphasized.
I'm Suleiman the Magnificent, and I approve this message.